Hello, I'm Sean Kane with Telefish Cluin Herish. And in consideration of something to put up for New Year's, for the sending off, for the ending, for the kaputting, for the defuncting, for the demise, for the end of 2009, I figured we should do a 2009 New Year's special. So here is our 2009 New Year's special, Gold Coast Romance. Oh, dearest, where hast thou gone? We once knew each other so very far and so long. I love thee so, forever in the snow. But if we should ever know, I shall love thee forever so.
This city, this beautiful city, once magnificent, once alive, now ceases to be.
What do you do with a big man who lives in a post-apocalyptic world? You can do nothing with a big man who lives in a post-apocalyptic world, because a big man who lives in a post-apocalyptic world does not live at all. Or so you think.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, we finally get to the moral of the whole story. Never play with nuclear or atomic weapons. So, on that very happy note, I would like to thank you all for watching and wish you a most glorious and happy new year as 2009 goes into the bucket and 2010 comes out of the bucket and gets ready for 365 days going back into the bucket. Thanks, and have a good time. Cheers, and happy new year.